Yeah.
Hey. Okay. You can put this one. And then you can pick one more. Hold on. Pick one. Pick another one real quick. Are you sure that's the one you want? That little tiny blue one. None of these big ones.
No, not that one. That one.
Those are the two you want?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You gonna save the rest of them for Christmas?
Yes.
All right. Well, you picked both of mine.
Huh.
All right. Let's see what's in there. I'm surprised he didn't pick the giant one. I'm surprised he didn't pick the giant one.
Yeah.
Phone.
It's not a phone.
What is it?
It's a brand new tablet for you. And you can use it anywhere. It has all the internet.
Oh, it never wears the internet?
Nope.
Can you help me open it?
You almost got it. What is that?
Pokemon.
Yeah, it's for you. What this?
You almost got it.
Okay, whoa. Hey. You can, hey, put it down. I know you're playing with it. You can pick one more. But it has to be a big one, not a tiny one.
Choose this one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure that's the one?
Yeah.
Okay. I wanted him to open one from you so he could...
What are you showing that to somebody?
He just screamed. I'm recording it. What is that?
Wonderful tie.
Are you excited?
Can I ride on it one time outside?
Yeah, if it's charged.
Okay.
Hey, how excited are you right now?
Like a what?
Like
I
a...
need to skip over so I can get the wet.
He's so excited. Is that the best present? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the best present, Grandpa. You like that better than the tablet?
Yeah.
You know who got you that?
Two.
Pop.
Me.
Pawpaw got you that. You want to give him a hug? What? You want to give him a hug while I open it?
No, I got it. Why? When I get done with this, I'm gonna give him a hug.
Oh, when you get done with the paper, you'll give him a hug?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to have to take it out of the box anyway, so it's good enough. Hey, stop. You're going to take the tree down.
No, not the three of them.
Give him a hug. Casey. Papa hug. What do you tell him?
Thank you.
He said thank you.
I heard.